Welcome back everyone and welcome to our video lesson for today. So today we are going to do our revision. So our revision is divided into three. So you can do your one revision every day. So for our references, go over to our textbook, chapter 2, 5, and 6. So go to the table of content and then check the pages for these chapters. Same thing with our workbook. So we are already done with all the lessons in the second semester. We will now do our revision. So we will start with revision number 1. So do this one in your notebook and then write revision number. So revision number 1, you write also what is the topic in revision number 1. So revision number 1 has something to do with weather. So let's get started. Here you're going to number your notebook 1 to 6. What are you going to do is to complete each sentences. Use the words here at the top to make your sentence complete. So you can pause this one and you can write your answer. I will keep going, but at home you're going to pause and then do your answer. So next, here, this is letter B. So I know you know the names of this weather instrument. So you can go over to our book and then find out the names and do this one. So in this column, you're going to write the name of this weather instrument. So what it's called. It is called what? And then in this column, the third column, you're going to write down this instrument, this weather instrument is used to what? It is used to measure what? So complete this table. You can copy same table in your notebook. Okay? So this ends our revision number 1. So the next day, you can go to our revision number 2. Revision number 2, this is chapter 5. So we talk about light and dark and then day and night. Same thing, do this one in your notebook. For letter A, you're going to copy this table in your notebook. And then after that, look at the pictures here. And then identify what kind of light source each of this belongs to. If it is natural light source or man-made light source. So I will repeat again. You can pause this video and go over answering your revision. Letter B. So this is the end of our revision number 2. So letter B. What are you going to do is that you're going to choose 5 objects at home. And then, as you can see here, this is just a sample. So you're going to do same thing. After choosing your 5 objects, you're going to let it stand your notebook, or you can use white paper if it will be easy for you. So use white paper, let it stand, and then after that, what are you going to do? You are going to trace the shadow of each object formed in your notebook. So trace their shadow. So remember our topic about shadow, how shadow is formed. So it is formed when an object blocks the light. So This ends our revision number 2. So the next day, you can do the revision number 3. And revision number 3, before you do this one, go back again to our lesson to read chapter 6 about electricity. So you've got here the instruction. Not all the things below are powered by mains electricity. Remember that mains electricity, this is the one that comes from the socket at home wherein we plug. So that is mains electricity. Some are powered by batteries. So what are you going to do? Label each picture with mains or batteries. You're going to do this one in your notebook as well. So you don't need to draw this one. Just write the name and then you're going to write your answer below if it is mains electricity or battery. And letter B. So for letter B, what are you going to do here is that there are 4 boxes here. Inside each box, you're going to draw and write the names of the parts of simple circuit. So I've made here 4 boxes. So meaning to say, you're going to draw the 4 parts of a simple circuit. So you draw, and then after that, you're going to give the name of the part that you have drawn. Okay, so that ends our lesson video for this week. I hope you were able to answer it correctly, and I will be seeing you again in our next video lesson. So always keep safe and always be good boys and girls at home. Bye bye for now. I'll be seeing you next time again.